Shout out to all of the firefighters working in this, again, extremely hot weather.
Well, Durham crews are braving high temperatures and high climbs. Take a look at these pictures in this video as firefighters work to help an injured person on a construction crane about 140 feet above Foster Street in downtown. Responders first climbed up the crane to the patient, then worked with the crane company to secure and safely bring him down.
They were able to help us with the patient, communicate with them, just provide a little bit of a liaison to that patient. They were up there to help us work with it and move we placed the patient in the basket and just transferred him to the ground.
It took crews about 40 minutes to rescue the man. He is expected to be okay.